is Mrs. John back once again for Year 12 Physics, and this is Lesson 5, and today's lesson is on conservation of momentum. So what is the law of conservation of momentum? This is an important one. Learn it, remember it. So in the absence of external force, the total momentum before a collision or explosion is equal to the total momentum after the collision or explosion. So the condition is there should be no external force. So what are external forces? So forces like gravity, friction, acceleration, braking. These are all examples of external forces. Now, one of the things to show that there is no external force, we consider what is called an isolated system. So what is an isolated system? It is one which is free from all external forces. And how do we represent an isolated system? So we draw the two objects, the direction in which they're moving, and then we put this dotted rectangle around to show that there's no external force. And then that becomes what we call an isolated system. So when you solve problems, it is very important to make this statement to say that in the absence of external force, the total initial momentum is equal to the sum of the final momentum. So this letter sigma is a Greek letter which means sum of or the total. And how do you get the momentum? It's mass times velocity. And what do we have to keep in mind? That momentum is a vector, so we need to consider direction. So here are some problems on conservation of momentum, which you might like to take a look at. Try it out for yourself first, and then look at the solution. Okay, that's it.